Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, in this video, we'll talk about the iPhone camera. So basically, whenever we open the iPhone camera to click photos, by default, we get an option for photos in the camera, and the aspect ratio is 4:3. It is neither square nor full screen. There are many people who like to click photos in a square or full screen. Now, for people who prefer clicking photos in full screen, specifically in the 16:9 aspect ratio, here's how to set your iPhone camera's aspect ratio to 16:9 or full screen all the time. Next time you open the iPhone camera, your iPhone should display the full screen option or 16:9 aspect ratio. So how do you do that? It's a very simple trick. Open the settings on your iPhone and scroll down until you find the camera option. Once in the camera settings, go to Preserve Settings, where you'll find multiple settings options. Enable Creative Control. When you enable Creative Control, it will save your default used aspect ratio and other features. Now that Creative Control is enabled, go to your iPhone camera, select your aspect ratio, and choose 16:9. Open the camera, go to More Features, select Aspect Ratio, and here, choose 16:9. Use your iPhone camera to click photos and then close the iPhone camera application. Now, the next time you open your iPhone camera, it will, by default, show the 16:9 or full screen camera option because, during the previous closing, you selected the 16:9 preserve ratio or aspect ratio, which will be saved. Whatever aspect ratio you used before closing the application will be saved for the next time as well. This is a simple trick and simple setting. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips, tricks, and solutions.